to a new video. So 2023 is right around the corner and I'm definitely itching to get some hair transformation done. So right now I'm heading to the new Aveda x Nykaa Salon in Mumbai, which is in Bandra Linking Road, and I am planning to get my hair cut, colored and hair spa done, doing the whole shebang, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me because you guys love these kind of videos. And I've also dragged my Pati Dev husband to help me shoot this video for you guys, and I'm also gonna treat him with some hair spa as well. Are you excited? Yup, he's excited as well. So yeah, and Nykaa was sweet enough to host me. So yeah, let's get this show on the road.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Let's quickly take a look at how my hair looked before. I definitely have some frizzy dead ends at the bottom that I need to chop off. My previous color has faded off, but it's still there. I still have some red pigments in my hair. But overall, I feel that the shape is missing. I definitely need a little bit more volume at the top. So let's get started. The first thing we started off is color. I really wanted to get a global hair color done with some highlights to add some dimension in my hair. I'm really not feeling the red anymore. I also showed an image of what I was thinking and what I wanted to get done. And of course, the stylist guided me to choose the perfect color to achieve that. I was really confused between two colors, gold 6N and gold 7N for my global color. So we decided to do both of them as a patch test to see which color we like the best. Also, as I said before, I do have some red pigments in my hair from the previous color that I had. You can clearly see it in the video as well. So it was really important to do a patch test to know that the lighter color will settle on my hair or not. While I'm waiting for my patch test to be done, Ajinkya is getting ready for his hair spa session. They started the session with a quick scalp and hair strand analysis to check what needs to be treated, and they suggest the hair spa accordingly. It's cool to see your scalp and hair strand on a microscope. Ajinkya had a flaky scalp issue, so they suggested Pramasana treatment for him, which is like a purifying scalp cleanser. While he is getting his pamper session on, it's time for me to check if the patch test worked. But sadly, it did not.
So you can see this patchiness,
The red.
red, like na, without pre-lighting it will not go. We have to go either darker head, or we can go burgundy, or you can grow and then like na, wait for some time, like 6 to 8 months, and then again you patch test, then we can decide to color. So right now I'll suggest you don't do anything, wait for some time.
I think that's because I don't want to go dark.
Yes.
I want to go lighter.
Yes.
So it's better. I think I'll wait it out only.
Yeah, no point going dark basically, because it will not suit your
Yeah, it will.
complexion.
I already have darker. It makes no sense to color it darker. So I'll just do haircut and hair spa then.
Yes. So we'll do first scalp and hair analysis with the camera, like a deep consultation, and then according that I'll suggest you which hair spa we can do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Works.
Before my hair spa as well, they did a quick scalp and hair strand analysis to check what exactly I need.
And this scalp and this is your scalp.
It's pretty clean.
It's very clean and healthy.
My scalp was really good, it did not need any help, but the length of my hair, the ends especially, needed a lot of help, so that's what we decided. They suggested to get a botanical repair hair spa, which will repair and strengthen my hair strands. They showed me the products they're gonna use and also explained it to me, which is super helpful. First, she used Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo to clarify my scalp and get ready for the spa. This was hands down the most comfortable chair I had ever been on in any salon. This chair had a built-in back massager which was massaging my back while I was getting a hair spa done. Also, it was a recliner. I was literally sleeping while I was getting my hair spa done. Okay, so the second thing she used is a Botanical Repair Hair Strengthening Additive. This acts as a primer for your hair. It just fills in all the open pores and just seals the cuticles really nicely. After that, she used number 3 Botanical Repair Bond Activator. Now the second and the third one goes hand in hand. The first one fills in the pores and the second one seals it all together to make sure that the previous product that she used works really well. After that, she gave me a really nice head massage. She covered my hair with a hot towel and let it rest for a while. And this whole time, the back massager is on. Do you understand the level of comfort I'm talking about? I thought we were done, but once we went back, she also gave me a nice back massage. And then we got started with the haircut. This time, I asked the hairstylist to keep the length as long as possible, so she has literally cut only few centimeters off, which is great. In the front, I wanted some nice face framing pieces, and the shortest layer starts almost around my lip length. So once it curls up and bounces up, it will reach near my nose length. And for the back, I specifically asked for tons of layers to get more volume in the back. I really like that look on my face, and the way it frames, I really like it. So yeah, that's what I asked. And I feel the hairstylist did a really good job at listening my needs, understanding my hair texture and what my hair actually needs and how to cut it. So she was really good at it and she did a fabulous job. And this is how my hair looks once it's done. It's still wet though. I asked for a blowout, so that's what she did. Over here you can clearly see the black patch, the red patch and the blonde patch. But once everything is dried and done, it does not look that bad. And I definitely feel the hair spa that they did made my hair like 10 times softer. And my hair color wasn't looking as brassy anymore. And this is the final result, which I absolutely loved. My hair was feeling so soft and supple. It was shiny, it was healthy, it was everything that I ever wanted. So I'm very happy with it.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. The hair spa was absolutely amazing. I was so relaxed. The massaging chair and the way she was handling my hair, I absolutely loved it. Also the cut, it's looking so freaking good. I can't wait to style it curly, and of course we'll see it in the next vlog. But that's how my hair is looking. It's feeling so soft and my scalp is feeling so clean and nice. I'm very happy. Right now we're super hungry. We're gonna have some food and head home. So I'm gonna end the video over here. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.